What's up, cupcakes? What's going on, guys? What's going on? Quite the little drama there for about half an hour or so. People were feeling kind of scared. Don't be scared. Um, so I guess Mr. T had a little bit of a tweet. Um, I can't get into too much detail about it, as I said before, but you guys know the tweet I'm talking about. It's in regards to the conflict in the Middle East. Um, and we had a bit of a correction out of nowhere, right? So we closed our daily candle above the 30-day, which fantastic, right? Closed above. And then we dropped down to $106,120 roughly, right? And then boom, we bounced right back up above the 30-day, back over 107,000 right now, guys. Just like that, people panicked for nothing. Like within seconds, I had people commenting in the comment section of my video, "Oh, the sell-off started. The sell-off started." The sell-off. Yes, the sell-off is happening, guys. You can never overreact to things, right? So absolutely. Let's get into these super chats. We got a couple of people supporting the channel right off the hop. My family, Ramona says, "Hey everyone, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe to the channel." And of course, my dude Isaac Lickitung in the house. You're the man. You are the man. Right after me. There you go. Hey, I'll take it, brother. I will take it. Right. Listen, Isaac, I'm telling you, man, you're in the top three, and you're not two, and you're not three, brother. Okay, so absolutely, my friend. Isaac again, what's up, man? Waiting on a response from customer service. I hope my accent. Oh yeah. Sometimes it glitches. I don't know why, but every once in a while, you just got to contact support about it. Hit the likes, absolutely. Do I have any takers for $109 super chat? Yes, that was hilarious this morning. Um, Andy there had a slickness sending his super chat in euros instead of dollars. threw everybody off. That was good. That was funny. Uh, Based on the roadmap, is Jasmine still plan on doing the PDL for locking tokens? Yes, they are. Here's what I would say. Based on the roadmap, have you not read the roadmap for this year? Because if you have, the answer's in there. But what I would say is yes, their mainnet is supposed to be launching, I believe, Q3 of this year for us, which is their Q2. So beast mode, DCA to support Rob's bag. There you go, man. There you go. Yeah. Do not sack me, right? Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Jake the Snake. Whoa, y'all are fast now. Yes. It's become a race, guys. It's become a race. Who can be the first, right? How's everybody doing, man? How was Otaku stream? I was listening in a little bit, but I didn't catch the whole thing. So what's the skinny, guys? How was it? How's my guy doing? How's my brother from another mother? Probably pretty good. I know some of you guys. He's probably still going. He's probably still going over there. Otaku tax time. Quick draw. There you go. J Money in the house. What's up, man? Good to see you. We the ones, data twos. Exactly. Amazing coins. Thank you so much, my brother. As always. Hey, Robin Weirdos. Hope all is well. I'll be working graveyards this week. Remember to hit the like and subscribe. No likes equals no bull run. Absolutely, guys. It's scientifically proven. It is scientifically proven. D Worm in the house. What's up, man? What up, Moo? Not today, player. Not today. Middle East situation causing a slide. Yeah, that slide lasted about 20 minutes. And we're back. Jay Money. What's up, Jay Sneakers? Nothing, just waiting for big money named Roberto to hop on after he doesn't close the door in his laundry room. Shots fired. What do we got? Jake the Snake. Otaku was great. I love this. Nice. Yeah, that's my dude right there. Oh, look at Isaac. Drops in and takes the lead as the new biggest super chat record. From me to you, a record for somebody to beat. There you go, brother. Lickitung ain't messing around today. We are family, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dude. Otaku stream, has it ended yet? And yes, Isaac sets the record. What a guy. What a guy. Comes out of nowhere. Y'all are arguing over who's got the record, and Isaac just steps in and goes, pow, step aside. Ermagerd. Mr. T about to World War III. Yeah, people panicked over that, man. People panicked. J Money, well, he's got to hear the buzzer when the laundry's done. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, right? BBP, it can slip and slide for all I care. Never let. Well, here's the thing. When it started to slide, at first I was thinking, what an opportunity for me to DCA tonight, right? If we see some red in the markets tonight, I'm going to buy it. And we totally did not. We just got teased, like just got market blue balled. It wasn't cool. Hey guys, it feels good to finally make it to alive. There you go, Danny. Where you been, brother? Where have you been? Leo, what's happening, buddy? Go time is in the house. Joy, hey, everyone, hit the likes. Rob is the best. Thank you so much, Joy. I appreciate you. Go time in the house. J Money, well, he's got to hear the. Oh, I already read that. Sharon, what's going on, Sharon? Thanks, Ramona, for hosting the live lesson. Yeah, I was going to ask you guys, how was the open mic session last night over on the Patreon? I was going to ask it here, but I figured, you know what? I'll just ask on the live stream over on the Patreon once we're done here. So that's what I figured I would do. But yes, guys, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow. Doesn't cost you a single solitary penny. So go ahead and do that. What is our ratio right now? We got 296 people watching, 80 likes. 80 likes. Let's smash it, guys. Let's smash it. Paul, good to see you, my friend. Clifford's in the house. Good to see you, my friend. Carlos, Swift Coin. Absolutely, man. The calming sound of laundry tumbling in the dryer puts me to sleep. So soothing. Yes, exactly. Especially when you put a pair of sneakers in the dryer. Nice and soothing, right? You know what's really cool to fall asleep to, honestly? Like if you just throw on YouTube on your even on your phone or something, right? You leave your phone plugged in, put YouTube on and just play like a winter storm sounds in the background or something, or a thunderstorm and crackling fire. Holy smokes, do you fall asleep to that, man? Holy smokes, right? Let's surprise Rob with a lot of likes, guys. Yes, absolutely. Shock me, baby. Oh, we shot up to 92. There you go. There you go, guys. XCN's my biggest bag, but I have big bags of all the other lists thanks to you. Hey, absolutely, brother. You and me both, man. You and me both. I am excited for, a few more months, guys. A few more months, and we're out of here. GTFO, we're getting out of the market, and life-changing wealth is going to be yours. Danny says, hit the likes. Where is C. David? Are we playing tonight or tomorrow? I thought we don't play till tomorrow. Edmonton, right? Edmonton plays tomorrow. Connor McDavid. Jake the Snake. Light Warrior says, don't kick Rob in the gonads. Instead, take it out on the like button. There you go. Don't hit Rob in the solar plexus. Suplex City. Spuds, what's up, man? Did Zebek unlock 2 billion tokens or 4? On CoinMarketCap, it was showing 79 circulating. I think it was 2. I think it was 2. But everyone was worried about that token unlock. And, it kind of makes me wonder, like, guys, I've talked about this 100 times. Zebek is deflationary, right? They have a buyback and a token burn every month, which is bigger than the amount that's unlocked every month. So the token unlock for Zebek means nothing. And everyone was scared we were going to dump. We actually pumped today instead of dumped, right? So that's what I say. Token unlocks while you have to pay attention to them and you have to be aware of what's going on, they don't always mean dump, right? Remember that, guys. Food for thought. What's cooking, weirdos? My Milk Money, what's up, man? Happy Monday. Yes, I love Mondays, guys. You know I love my Mondays. Yo, 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 what's good, EZ? It was a great live last night. Thanks again, Ramona. Yes, Ramona is absolutely fantastic. Double the likes for double the gains. Exactly. It's not Vegas. There she is, Gamma Goddess in the house. Hope everyone's doing well. Let's get this money. Yes, thank you very much, Ramona, for hosting our Patreon meetings when Rob is away. We love and appreciate you. Absolutely. Ramona, absolutely. My right-hand woman, right? Beast Mode. Feeling weird tonight. Bet the house again and again. There you go. Go time. Let's get this party started. Twitch, what's going on? Over on the Patreon, we're having some troubles finding exchanges that won't blow our on the fees. Somebody had said, I mean, if you're talking about the newest gem, if you watch the first 10 minutes of the live stream on the Patreon from last night, Jetpack walks you guys through how he's buying it. But someone else had also told me that if you buy it on Coinbase wallet with your debit card, instead of buying stablecoin and then swapping, you don't pay those exorbitant fees. So things to pay attention to. Got another mill in Myriad. Nice. There you go. That's a win right there, man. That's a win. Pumping it up. Hey, guys, I'm getting ready for work tonight. Amazing Coins, you're always at work, brother. Mr. T's keeping the masses scared. It's super fantastic. Jeff, good to see you, man. Good to see you. What else do we got? Got another mill in Myria. Can you say plankton to shrimp? There you go, man. Carlos, somebody send this guy some yen. Otaku's laser eyes burned a hole through my. Yes, I saw. I saw that he did have. He's got like these weird laser eyes because he's streaming remote or something, eh? What's the best way to sell and buy with the lowest fees? Well, I mean, there's a lot of different tricks of the trade, my friend. But if you want the latest and greatest and you need help in the market in terms of mentorship, I would highly recommend getting over to the Patreon community. What I can tell you is that one of the tips I can tell you is that if you are swapping, if you're buying or selling, when the network is not congested, your gas fees are going to be lower, right? So little tip there for you. Quentin, what's up, buddy? Sorry, I've been MIA from the streams lately, going through a lot right now. Hey, brother, I got your back, man. Take care of you first. Take care of you first. We're here for you, man. We're here for you as a community, brother. Spuds, what's up, buddy? Nia, good to see you are here. I like the results of the poll. Yeah, let me have a look at the poll here. So I put out a poll, you guys, for your biggest bag, and Zebek is the winner. 65% of you guys voted for Zebek as your biggest bag. Wow, that's a lot of people loving their Zebek. Holy smokes! Well, there you go then, right? There you go then. Rob Bud, happy belated birthday. It's my birthday today, believe it or not. Well, happy birthday, my friend. Absolutely. Gemini's for the win, right? Gemini's for the win. Sharon, Miriam Zebek, let's go. Carlos, what's up, buddy? Go time. Still loading up on Piff. Hey, as long as it's down like this, might as well keep stacking, man. Restful Mind, Mewtwo in the house, 100%. Thunderstorm sounds to sleep. Yes, absolutely, man. Knocks me right out. Knocks me right out. Jake the Snake with the super chat. Someone on X said this about fees and spread. It's called and it includes your. Oh, you guys. Thunderstorm and heavy rain, white noise is my favorite. Yeah, I'll tell you though, man, try it out. I'm telling you, winter storm of the crackling fire. It's got the fries. It's got the fries that'll cross your eyes. David, welcome to the family, my friend. Welcome to the family. Good to have you. Good to have you, man. Miria keeps providing buying opportunities, and I keep aping. There you go. You can't lose, man. Strawberry Dragons. My under eye bags are my biggest bags. Wait till no sleep season hits. Shane, watching you from Barbados, joined your Patreon and truly appreciate and respect the beautiful community. Thank you, Rob. Hey, Shane, welcome to the family, my friend, and it's awesome to have you here. Watching from the Barbados, never been, but you know what? I will end up going one day. It's on my bucket list. Wise Mind, what's up, man? I gave you 2 likes, and I also sold all my crypto. You liar. You lie. Danny, buying Miria right now is like buying XCN a year ago. Yep, you're absolutely right, Danny. Exactly. Pith needs to pop. I could use a little bit more DCAing opportunity. I'm just finishing up on a couple other bags, and I may go back to Pith. I may go back to it. We'll see. You guys will know on the Patreon what I'm doing. Did you see Stronghold lock 60 million? Wallet has been found. Big move for investors. I did not see that, but absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Bloisey dropping the yen. Here's some yen for you, Sensei Rob. I don't know what that is. I don't know what 800 yen equates to, but my dude, I think it's probably $5 since it's. I'm gonna go by the color of the super chat. So, Bloisey, thank you so much, my friend. A little bit of yen. Got a little bit of yen. There you go, man. Did you see Stronghold? I am very bullish on Stronghold, by the way. Very, very bullish. Meredith is an instigator. He says, "Do I have any takers for 110? Who's gonna beat the biggest super chat?" You're an instigator. I love it, brother. I love it. Bo put you up to this, didn't he? Hey Rob, you think Swift will hit anywhere near past 50 cents? No, I don't. Good rainstorm with some rolling thunder. Yeah, there you go. Lawrence, working hard in heating and air business, no choice. Hey, get that dry powder, man. Work hard now to retire early later, my friend. Glad to be here. Glad to have you here, my friend. Spuds, Zbeck unlocks are always good. Yes, they did an unlock on June 15th and 16th. I should have looked. Yeah. They did it, I think, yesterday. Today. Today, I think. Z Brown, what's up, man? Where do you put the list for the AMAs? Trying not to miss them. For one-on-ones, you got to shoot me a DM for our mentorship coaching calls. You got to shoot me a DM over on the Patreon for that to get yourself booked in. Funky, what's up, man? The overseas fiasco just went to the next level. Give me some news to fight this FUD. Well, I mean, the news would have to be that the market dumped for about 25 seconds and then pumped right back up, man. Do I have any takers for 112? I got an auctioneer over here. I loaded up on a heavy bag of XPR and steak. Nice. Good pick, man. Good pick. I am bullish on XPR. Nicholas, what's up, big dog? Blessings to be here. Been here for a year and a half now. Love the community and watching you grow, big dog. God bless all of us. Absolutely, Nick. You've been with me for a long time, brother. I appreciate you. What's up from Chemtrail City, Florida? So many of you guys are from Florida. Holy smokes. I love it. I like to fall asleep to the sound of stealing Cadillac converters. Soothing. So soothing. Meredith says, where are all my big bags, big ballers at? Do I have any takers for 150? He knows you can hear him, guys. What's up? Good to see you. Good to see you. $4.99 gas fee for the yen. Oof. Try listening to some. I'll have to look that up. I don't even know what that is, man. Told the wife, you smell that? She said, no. I said, me either. Start cooking. Oh, Next picture of Isaac with a big black eye, right? Minimum target on Miria if BTC only goes to 150. Honestly, minimum price on Miria, I'd have to go with somewhere around 5 cents minimum. 5 cents minimum. I mean, Miria at a we were looking at it the other night. At a $5 billion market cap, Miria is going to be about 18 cents. Right? Would you take Miria at 18 cents right now? Hell yeah! Don't even lie to me. Of course you would. Big C, what's up, man? Rob, the market's about to melt like Maxine Waters' face. Oh, absolutely. Got to bring Maxine into it, eh? Got to bring Maxine into it. I got soaked working on customer vehicles, just on the hunt for that dry powder. There you go, man. You got soaked. Did you do a wet t-shirt car wash there, Tyler? I put the one-on-one on your DMs. You said that you will put me on a list with times. Can't find that. Did I say for July, Z Brown? The July list doesn't come out until the last week of June. So if you're on the July list, when is altcoin season? It is like multiple weeks, months of passive pump. Never been before. You know what? That's not true. I debunked that rumor, that speculation like 2 months ago. People saying that this time is different. I showed it on the charts, like that this has never happened before in terms of price action and the altcoins and stuff. And I already debunked that in the charts, right? Yes, this has exactly happened before, right? And not only that, but I was here and watched it happen before. So, yeah, what makes people feel like this is new and this is different and that this has never happened before is recency bias, right? So I love to fall asleep to the sound of Gregorian monks chanting. There you go. I'm stealing that one. Lick a tongue. Yes, Isaac's going to be asleep before. Not by choice. Yes, absolutely. He's going to show up on the Patreon live stream missing his 2 front teeth or something. It was an honor knowing you, Isaac. Yes. Is XRP going to go up? Everything's going to go up, my friend. Everything. Naka, hey Rob, thanks for all the great insight. Do you think ZBIC will see 3.5 cents this week? This week? ZBIC? Oh, 2035. Sorry, I read that wrong. At this rate, no, not at this rate. Allison, there she is. Green tea in the house. Frank, sell everything. It's going to 000. Easy says King Super Chatter, formerly known as Isaac. There you go. Exactly. He holds the heavyweight championship. Yes, you said put me on the July. Okay, so the July list, the first week of July comes out the last week of June, right? So I put them out. I stagger them. So the first week of July will be put out the last week of June. So don't sleep on Swift. It doesn't take much for 10 billion total supply. Hey, I agree, man. You're not going to get an argument with me there. Even Solinix Crypto was saying, I don't even know who that is, in a video today that there wouldn't be an altcoin season anymore. Yeah. Stupid people say stupid things. I listen to the Dark Country YouTube channel for my sleep. There you go. T Dizzy, Litecoin going to go up. Yeah, of course it is. Pepe, there you go. Ramona, there she is. We were just singing your blessings a little while ago, Ramona. I'm listening to you provide advice, and I just want to remind everyone how lucky we are to have found you and this community. Thank you, Rob, for all you. Ramona, thank you so much, and thank you for hosting the open mic session last night. Apparently, it was a fantastic time. So thank you so much. Isaac's still alive, guys. Look, that was a thought. I would never say that out loud. But where do you put the list? It'll be in the buy and sell chat. And the reason I put in the buy and sell chat is because that chat doesn't go. I'm the only one that posts there, so it's easy to find. If I put it in the general chat, it's gone in 5 minutes, and good luck finding it. Right? So, Chase at current prices, put $1,000 in Zivik or Miria, asking for a friend. Miria. I would go with Miria personally. Clifford, what's up, buddy? Ramona, I want to be like you when I grow up. There you go. All right, we got some stuff to get into, guys. We're finally caught up on the chat. Let's get into this stuff. We got a live stream to do over on the Patreon after this as well. So let's get through this news, man. Let's get through this news. Stephanie's link on where long-term investors should be focusing right now.
Joining us now ahead of the first day of a shortened trading week, Stephanie Link, Hightower Chief Investment Strategist and a CNBC contributor. You've been hit with just about everything. So now we got the latest. Now we've got a major conflict in the Middle East. Steph, anything change? Again, you do what you keep on keeping on, right? Just do what you do.
Well, I'm trying. It's not easy on certain weeks, but I think we're kind of chipping away at a lot of unknowns, even though we do have the Middle East issues and a lot could happen there. But we are chipping away at some of the concerns that we've had, mainly inflation. And we got some really good inflation data last week. I know we're not near where the Fed wants it to be for them to start cutting rates, but we were at 9% CPI 2.5 years ago. We're now at 2.1%. So we're making really good progress there. Tariffs, they seem less threatening, and we're going to get more answers over the coming weeks. And then, of course, in the face of all this, GDP remains pretty strong. The Atlanta Fed tracker came out last week at 3.8%. So let's smooth it out, right? Like, let's just average the first quarter and the second quarter in GDP running at about 2% growth. That sets up well for earnings. So I know that there's a lot of unknowns out there, but you know, we talk about this all the time. I worry when we don't worry, because that means that we're complacent.
Any emphasis on which sectors are? I mean, what does this do for your energy stock holdings, or I don't know, defense defense stocks?
Yeah, I mean, obviously the defense stocks caught a bid last week, but you know, I think it's kind of temporary. I mean, you don't necessarily want to play energy or defense just based on what's going on in the conflict in the Middle East. It's got to be fundamentals. And so I kind of step back, Joe, and I think, like, where do we want to invest over the long term? What are some of the themes out there that we feel really good about, no matter what happens in the Middle East, or no matter what happens with regards to just macro uncertainties? And that, I still come back to my two favorite themes are cybersecurity, because we are going to see massive consolidation in that industry. We have 4,000 cybersecurity companies, public and private, and none of them talk to each other. And so I think you're still going to see probably cybersecurity be bigger than AI. But then my other theme is AI, and it's the data center, and it's power, and it's the grid. And a new name that I bought a couple of weeks ago was Vertiv on that theme.
Which one?
Vertiv, VRT.
She said cybersecurity is going to be bigger than AI. You know what project is in cybersecurity? Forta. That's right, baby.
So okay. The company, it's in the grid and electrification and that whole thing. And it's still down 28% from its highs, and they're growing earnings in the mid-20s, and they're going to outpace the industry by 300 to 500 basis points over the coming years. And the executive chair is Dave Cote. You remember Dave Cote? He was the CEO of Honeywell back in the day, and the stock under his, when he was at Honeywell, it was just explosive.
Yeah, GE guy. Yeah, Vertiv.
Yeah, that's right.
You might want to look at a company called Versant. It sounds similar to Vertiv, but it's a little bit different. You don't need to do anything today, but about 6 months from now. Thanks, Steph. See you later.
Bold statement, but it's worth looking into, guys. It's worth looking into. Right. What else do we have? So a lot of guys, I'm seeing these ridiculous posts over on X, people saying, "Oh, they're going to cut rates. They're going to cut rates on Wednesday." No, they're not. No, they're not. Right. Let's talk about it. Fed rate decision announcement set for June 18th. The Federal Reserve, led by Chairman Jerome Powell, will announce its next rate decision on Wednesday, June 18th, 2025 at 2 p.m. Eastern. This decision could affect cryptocurrency markets by influencing investor sentiment and liquidity levels given historical market reactions. So here's the thing, guys. A pause in rate cuts is already priced into the markets. And there's like a 97% chance of a pause, right? So what really matters here is what he has to say in the press conference after, right? That's what we need to pay attention to. The rate announcement anticipated on June 18th by the Fed is expected to maintain the current federal funds rate. Futures market suggests a 70% chance of a rate cut in the future, though the Fed cautions a need for decisive economic data. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum could see notable impacts as their value often fluctuates based on monetary policy changes affecting liquidity and risk appetite. Jerome Powell, known for his cautious approach, continues his leadership amid speculation about a potential successor due to the president's dissatisfaction. The current rate of 4.25% to 4.50% is likely to hold as the Fed awaits clearer signals. Stable rates generally reduce institutional inflows to crypto compared to traditional assets. Cryptocurrencies are sensitive to shifts in Fed signals, with dovish indications potentially raising liquidity and investment interest. Rate increases there's not going to be a rate increase. That's just absurd. The Federal Reserve's decision will be closely watched, impacting crypto value and trading volumes. Historical cycles show that rate changes often influence market dynamics. Observers expect volatility in crypto assets as investors respond to policy cues, although no major regulatory changes are anticipated. So that's what I said, that it's already priced in a pause, right? The market's currently on alert, may experience short-term volatility in response to the announcement. Bitcoin and Ethereum are watched as stability or uncertainty in Fed policy is assessed. Historically, risk assets fluctuate with economic policy. So we probably will see a little bit of volatility tomorrow. Usually when Usually when Powell speaks, we see a bit of a dump and then a pump, or vice versa, a pump and then a dump. So I wouldn't recommend leverage trading at that time, guys, because you might get burned. Okay. Let's go look at the M2 money supply correlation to Bitcoin. Things look good, guys. Look at this. Ready for that next big move up. We're bleeding into August right now. The end of August. Absolutely fantastic. Danny, yeah. Allison, hey Rob, can you take a look at DGen Arena chart? Yeah, I looked at that yesterday. I did look at that project yesterday. Oh, let's go to the live chart. You can't look at this chart. It's a brand new project, right? Here's the thing, guys. When you're looking at a brand new project, charts don't mean anything, right? Charts, a large part of looking at charts when it comes to crypto or stocks, whatever, right, is history, right? Being able to read the history. If you don't have at least a year or two's worth of history on the chart, I mean, if you've got a chart that's like, this chart is, I'm on the daily time frame, so this chart is 7 days old, and it's just flat, right? So there's not going to be any way to read the chart at this point in time. So, but yeah, super fantastic. Do you ever buy pre-sale? I used to, not often anymore. There's just too many scams and stuff out there. But I mean, that's, you know what, pre-sales, maybe we'll get into pre-sales a little bit heavier in the bear market. Over on the Patreon, we'll probably do that. So yeah, I will get into it then. So let's go have a look at oh, look at this guy. This is hilarious, guys. I wanted to play this. Just guys, here's the thing. This was a comedian back in 2018. 2018, okay? This is the kind of, they say, the normie mentality, the people who have not yet figured out that blockchain technology, and like, you're looking at the next internet, right? You're looking at the next internet boom in financial markets, right? This is a once in a generation opportunity for investments, right? And people that don't do any research and like, it's just popular and normal to make fun of something that they don't understand. Listen to this comedian. Remember, this was 2018. 2018. Think about what he says here, and then think about how wrong he ended up being, right? And remember that. Listen up. It's hilarious, but not for the reasons he's trying to be funny.
The only thing that should double that quickly is the value of Bitcoin. Just kidding. That was a garbage investment and you're an idiot. Bitcoin is just beanie babies for tech bros. Look, man, every person I went to high school with was like, yo, Bitcoin is gonna change your life. BTC, get on it right now. And I'm like, Tommy Wilson, you work at Office Max. What the fuck are you talking about? Oh, by the way, hey, internet comments, it's trading at 6.5K. Go
6.5K. He was making fun of it because it was trading at $6.5 thousand. And he laughed on television making fun of people who were buying it. Bitcoin today is trading at $107,000. Over $100,000, $100,500 higher than this jackass when he was making fun of it. Food for thought, guys. Food for thought, right? Julian, Zebek's going to melt faces. Hell yeah. Hey, Rob, is Mantra dead or waiting game? Good question. I did a series of videos over on Crypto Blueprint talking about Mantra. Let's have a look. Let's go look at the chart. I haven't really stayed up to date on what the latest is, but oh, it's not on here. Okay, so we'll have to go look at it on CoinGecko. Let me just pull up the live chart. Yeah, it took a devastating blow, eh? Look at that. Look at that drop. Oof. That's right, April 13th, man. Devastation, right? That thing dropped 83.5% and has not recovered at all. Like, at all. Yeah. I generally don't like to use the term dead when I talk about projects, but yeah, it's dead. I mean, it's not coming back, right? That's not coming back. I hope he makes fun of Jasmine next. Yeah, that joke didn't age well. Exactly. I wonder if people play that back to him and are like, he literally said all of his college friends were saying buy Bitcoin, and he made fun of them on television. They're probably all multimillionaires now, and he's probably still writing jokes in his mom's basement, right? So yeah, food for thought, guys. Food for thought. That's why it pays to do your own research and not listen to what's the popular general consensus in the public, right? Volks, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Funky Zebek not melting my face. It is sure put a permanent smirk on my face so far. There you go, man. There you go. All right, guys. Well, everything's looking good. Bitcoin's looking good. Let's stay above the 30-day SMA. We'll see what happens with that tomorrow. I got a live stream to get to over on the Patreon in about 20 minutes, guys. If you want to continue the conversation, get over there. We will be live, and if you need to join our mentorship program, guys, we can help you. If you need help from someone who's been through multiple cycles, get aboard. We will help you figure this thing out. Portfolio structure, exit strategies, profit-taking plans, technical analysis, tokenomics, how to do research, how to vet teams, and so much more, guys. Check it out. Also, I dropped the next microcap gem over there yesterday, and I'm talking tiny, tiny market cap, 100x potential on this project, guys. Get over to the Patreon, check it out. I just uploaded it yesterday. We will be live over there in about 20 minutes. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.